Commissioners in 2 East Tennessee counties may have been exposed to COVID-19 during a commission meeting. 2 people who took part in Anderson and Hamblin County Commission meetings have been tested. They were awaiting results, but still attended the meeting. In both cases, those COVID-19 carriers learned the next day they tested positive.
10 News reporter Cole Sullivan shares the health department wants people to stay in quarantine from when they get the test to when they get back the results.
The same scenario in 2 East Tennessee counties, 50 miles apart. Someone at the county commission meeting may have exposed others to the coronavirus. In Hamblin, the county mayor says someone on his staff tested positive. He says she had no symptoms for a few days, but came back to work while waiting for her test results. At Thursday's meeting, she sat in the back with a mask on, but got positive results the next day. In Anderson County, Clinton Commissioner Robert Jamison tested positive. He tells us he was not feeling well and now has a fever, but still went to the county commission meeting last week. The next day, the 82-year-old's results came back positive too. Handouts from the Tennessee Department of Health say if you have any symptoms or exposure to COVID, you must isolate while waiting for results. Knox County goes further. It says anyone who gets a test must stay home until results come in.
Regardless of your symptoms, if you get tested for COVID-19, we want you to stay home. We know there's asymptomatic, pre-symptomatic spread. So if you are concerned enough that you might have COVID-19, that you get tested, we want you to stay home until you get that test result back.
And if you have exposure or symptoms, a negative test is not enough to clear you for school, work, or to leave quarantine.
You cannot test your way out of quarantine, meaning that even if you get tested and your test comes back negative during that 14-day period, you don't get to get out of quarantine.
Stronger rules to prevent more exposure. Cole Sullivan, 10 News.
The Hamblin County mayor says his staff member will stay home for 10 days. The Anderson County commissioner says he tried to sit 6 feet away from his colleagues at that meeting.